Hello everyone. Welcome back to my Code Debug Code channel. Today, we're diving into DevOps for Java backend developers. Here we're going to break down each phase of the DevOps lifecycle and explore the best tools to help you streamline your development process. But before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our system design tutorials and interview tips. So, what exactly is DevOps? It's simply a combination of development for dev and operations for ops. To define this together, it is a methodology that helps teams collaborate better, automate processes, and deliver software more efficiently. Today, we'll break down each phase of the DevOps lifecycle and give you 3 powerful tools for each step. So, without any delay, let's get started. First step is how to plan. The plan phase is all about defining the project's scope, features, and timeline. Remember, clear communication between team members is very important. Okay guys. Now let's talk about tools. We will just talk briefly on each of the topics. Best tools for plan parts of DevOps will be. First one is Jira. This one is ideal for task tracking, issue management, and sprint planning. This also helps teams plan, track, and manage agile projects efficiently. Now, second one to discuss is Trello. This is a simple, visual project management tool. This uses boards, lists, and cards to keep everyone organized and aware of project progress. Last but not least is Asana. This one is great for tracking tasks and deadlines across teams. Asana's timeline and project tracking features make collaboration very easy. Now, second step is how to code. In this phase, developers write the code and collaborate using version control systems. Having the right tools ensures smooth collaboration. Now, let's talk related tools. Best tools for coding parts of DevOps will be. First one is Git. This is the most widely used version control system. Git allows multiple developers to work on the same project without conflicts by managing code changes. Now, second one to discuss is GitHub. This is a platform for hosting Git repositories and collaborating with teams. GitHub offers version control, code review, and collaboration tools for teams. Last but not least is Bitbucket. This is an alternative to GitHub, offering Git-based repository hosting. Bitbucket integrates with Jira and supports CI/CD pipelines right in the platform. Now, third step is how to build. Once the code is ready, it needs to be compiled into a working application. Automation tools help streamline this process. Now, let's talk related tools. Best tools for build parts of DevOps will be. First one is Maven. This is a popular build tool for managing Java projects. Maven helps automate the building process and manages project dependencies. Now, second one to discuss is Gradle. This is a modern, flexible build automation tool. Gradle is faster and more flexible than Maven, with support for many languages. Last but not least is Ant. This is another build automation tool commonly used for Java. Ant provides build script capabilities and allows customization of the build process. Now, fourth step is how to test. Testing is essential for delivering reliable software. Automation tools help run tests continuously to catch bugs early. Now, let's talk related tools. Best tools for test parts of DevOps will be. First one is JUnit. This is a popular unit testing framework for Java. JUnit allows you to write and execute test cases, ensuring code correctness. Now, second one to discuss is Selenium. This is a tool for browser-based testing. Selenium automates web browser interaction, making it ideal for testing web applications. Last but not least is TestNG. This is a testing framework inspired by JUnit but with additional features. TestNG supports parallel execution and flexible test configurations. Previous 4 steps were for development section of DevOps. Now let's talk about operations section of DevOps. Now 5th step is how to release. When your build passes all tests, it's time to release it to production. The release phase often uses CI/CD pipelines to ensure seamless delivery. Now let's talk related tools. Best tools for release parts of DevOps will be. First one is Jenkins. This is the go-to tool for CI/CD pipelines. Jenkins automates the release process, allowing frequent code deployment. Now, second one to discuss is GitLab CI. For this, CI/CD built into the GitLab platform. GitLab CI enables you to integrate, test, and release code directly from GitLab repositories. Last but not least, is Circle CI. This is a cloud-based CI/CD tool. Circle CI automates testing and deployment, integrating with GitHub and Bitbucket. 6th step is how to deploy. Deployment involves pushing your application to production. Automation is key to reliable, consistent deployments. Now let's talk related tools. Best tools for deployed parts of DevOps will be. First one is Docker. This is a tool for containerizing applications. Docker allows developers to package applications into containers that run reliably in any environment. Now, second one to discuss is Kubernetes. This is a container orchestration tool. Kubernetes helps manage and scale containerized applications across clusters of machines. Last but not least, is Ansible. This is an automation tool for provisioning and deployment. Ansible automates software deployment, configuration management, and task execution. 7th step is how to operate. After deployment, you need to ensure that the system operates efficiently. This phase involves monitoring and optimizing the system. Now let's talk related tools. Best tools for operate parts of DevOps will be. First one is Splunk. This is a leading tool for log management and analysis. Splunk collects, indexes, and analyzes machine data, helping detect and troubleshoot system issues in real time. Now, second one to discuss is Datadog. This is a cloud-based monitoring service. Datadog provides real-time monitoring of infrastructure and application performance. Last but not least, is New Relic. This is an application performance monitoring tool. New Relic helps track the performance of your application in production. Final step in DevOps, that is 8th step, is how to monitor. Monitoring ensures that you can spot issues early and resolve them before they affect users. Now let's talk related tools. Best tools for monitor parts of DevOps will be. First one is Prometheus. This is a powerful open-source monitoring tool. Prometheus collects real-time metrics and alerts you when something goes wrong. Now, second one to discuss is Grafana. This is a visualization tool for monitoring data. Grafana visualizes monitoring data from Prometheus and other sources. Last but not least, is ELK Stack. This is a comprehensive logging and monitoring tool. The ELK Stack, that is, Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana. It helps collect, search, and visualize log data to monitor system performance. So combining all those 8 steps, this is what it looks like, which you see all the time. This diagram is very popular in DevOps world. And there you have it in one single diagram. These tools can make each phase of the DevOps lifecycle faster, smoother, and more efficient. By automating processes and enhancing collaboration, you can deliver better software faster. Remembering these will help you in every steps of your development career. And don't forget to subscribe to get access to even more tutorials, tips, and guides on how to ace FANG interviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.